Hello again, Cambridge class. We're going to be looking at multiplication, subtraction and addition again today. So before we get started, you need to go and get yourself a pencil and a piece of paper. You can pause the video and start it shortly. Okay, so as we go through the activities today, we'll do some together and I'll leave you to do some on your own. When you do them on your own, pause the video, have a go, and then look at the answers. So looking at our candle boxes here, we've got some big boxes that hold 100 candles. We've got some little boxes that hold 2 candles, and we've got some candles on their own. How many candles are there all together? Well, we've got 200 there, and we've got 2, 4, 6 there, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 and 7 is 13. So we've got 213 candles. That's 213 candles. Now we've got some base 10 here, so let's look at it carefully. Amir has made the number 325. 325. Amir subtracts 3 ones from his number. Write a calculation to show what Amir has done. So he's done 325. And what has he taken away? That's right, he's subtracted 3 ones. And if I cross them out, 1, 2, 3, it leaves us with 322. So the answer to his calculation is 322. Okay, these are for you to try on your own. There's a number line here to help you. We're going to add and take away the amount shown. We're always going to start with 475, and here it is, look, 475. So you can count on when you're adding, or you can count back when you're taking away. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so 475 add 1 takes us to one jump, 476. 475 add 2, 1, 2, takes us to 477. 475 add 3, 1, 2, 3, 478. 475 add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 479. Those are adding on. So take away 475, take away 1, 474. 475 take away 2, 1, 2, 473. 475 take away 3, 1, 2, 3, 472. 475 take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 471. And 475 take away 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 470. Here's a number. Add 4 to the ones to 4 ones to the number. Read the number for me. So it's 653. And we need to add 4 to the ones place. 4 to that number will give us 657. Now, we've got 653 again. Tom says if you subtract 2 ones from the number, you will get 633. He's made a mistake. What mistake has Tom made? Yeah, that's right. You tried to take away two tens, hadn't you? If I take away two tens, I've got 633. But you wasn't asked to take away two tens. We were going to subtract two ones from the number, which would give me 651. Okay, so I want you to try these on your own. We're going to add or take away. I'm going to try those on your own. So pause the video and write them down for me. Okay, let's mark them. Oh, we're not going to mark them. I'm lying to you. Here's some more for you to try. Now, I'm not going to mark these today. You're going to send them to me and let me see. So take a photograph of this piece of work and send it to me and let me see how you've got on. So here's our next question. Nisha collects stamps. She has 526 stamps and she collects 3 more. How many stamps does she have now? She's got 526 stamps and she collects 3 more. How many stamps does she have now? That's right, she's got 529 stamps. Okay, so we have to put these digit cards in the correct place to make a calculation with the answer that is shown here and here. So my first calculation, I've got to add 3 digits to a 1-digit number to get 397. Well, I can see I've got 396 there. So if I did 396, add 1, that's my 1 there, it will give me 397. So can you try this bottom one here? That's right, it's got to be 139, take away 6. Well done. Now we have to work out the missing digits. I've got a 3-digit number here, and I've got a 3-digit number here, and when I add 4 to it, it gives me this number here. Well, I know that 4 and 4 is 8. So I must have an 8 in there. And now I've got 784 add 4. So in this hundreds place here, I'm going to need my 7. Would you like to try the next 2? Pause the video and have a go at it. Okay. So I'm adding 3. So that means here there must be a 0. And here there will be a 7. So that's 178 take away 5 will give me 173. Aisha wants to work out 764, add 3 and add 2. Can you think of 2 ways to do this? 2 ways to show this? Have a go. Yeah, she could do it like this, couldn't she? She could do 764, add 3, which will give us 767. And then she can do 767, add the 2, which will give us 769. Or she could do 764 and she could then add 3 and the 2 to get to 5 and then add that onto her 764, which will give us 769. It's 2 ways. Okay, so the last job today is to go back to this website and pick a new number. If you did 10 yesterday, maybe be brave and try 20 today. And I'll see you again tomorrow.